Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am Noshin, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss about the formal letter. There are two kinds of writing letter. One is formal and one is informal. Formal is kind of official, which you write to the head of the institute, head of the company, head of any administration, head of anywhere. And informal is whatever you write to your friend, your family members, that is informal. Today we are going to deal with formal letter. Let's suppose in your assessment you have been asked to write down the letter to your administrator of municipal committee about the cleanliness of your area. So what you are going to do? You have to start the letter in this format. As you can see the latest format over here, that starts from the left side and ends on the left side. Just keep one thing in your mind, that if you cannot write the whole letter, if there is no vocabulary in your mind regarding the question examiner has asked you to write about, so if you can only write this format in your paper, in your assessment, in your test, so you can easily get some of the marks, like 5 to 6 marks, because this start and this end has 4 marks and rest of the portion may get 1 mark or 2 mark of this. So don't leave your paper empty if you cannot write the basic theory of the letter. Just write start and end and you'll get some marks. Okay, let's start. What you have to do is, you have to start your letter by writing this examination hall comma. You have to keep this in your mind, that you have to be careful about commas and full stops and everything in writing the letter. Okay, after examination hall, leave one line, then city ABC. You don't need to mention the name of your city. This is the official way of writing letter in paper. Then leave one line, then date of that day, then leave one line, then respected administrator sir, yeah, whatever they have asked to write about the letter, to MD sir, to principal, whatever they have asked, you have to mention the name of the person over here to whom you are writing the letter. After that, greetings. You have to, as we are Muslims, so we have to greet in this way, Assalamu alaikum. Then leave one line, then start your letter like this. My name is this, full stop. I belong to XYZ area. Okay, you don't need to mention your name, you don't need to mention your area, because this is a formal letter and that person don't know about you, so you have to mention like this, full stop. I am writing this letter to you about. Now what you have to do is, you have to write whatever you want to write over here in this para, like 4 to 5 lines about your format, whatever they have asked. So you have to write down everything regarding this, that I am going to request you to clean my area. There is a lot of dirt over here, a lot of issues over here, please this, do that. Your complaints, your suggestions, everything should be in this paragraph. Okay, then after the ending of your paragraph, put full stop over here and then leave one line and then write thanking you over here. Okay, and then leave one line, and then you have to mention your sincerely over here, because we don't know that person, so we cannot write lovingly or anything like that. So now leave one finger gap and write x.y.z over here. It's up to you. You may write the capital XYZ or you may write the small XYZ. It's up to you. And this is the end of the formal letter. Hope you understand the procedure.